Hello and welcome in. My name is Sweet Phil, and today I'm doing a quick tutorial here how to render a video. In other words, how to, after you finish editing a video, how to actually make that video into a video file here in Davinci Resolve. If it helps you out, make sure that like button and subscribe up so you never miss any of the future videos here on my channel. So right here is a video that I made recently for this channel, and I'm going to go ahead and render this video out, aka I'm going to make this into an actual video. It's going to combine all the different effects that I've done, put them together in one video. So once you have that all done, you come over here and there's actually a deliver tab. It looks like a little rocket ship. Boom, you can come over to here. Now there's a bunch of different options. You can go custom. You always want to pick a title for the video. So how to, render, we'll just call it whatever. If you're on custom here, there's different video and audio options. You can go MP4. I go usually QuickTime. That's just the way I like to do it. Your frames will be whatever frame rate that your timeline is. I do a lot of video game content, so I do it at 60 frames a second because that's what I record my video game stuff at. If you're just doing talking head type stuff, maybe it'll be 30. That's not the most important thing. Usually you're going to want to render, most people are going to be 1920 by 1080. Unless you're doing something besides making video for YouTube. If you're more advanced like that, you don't necessarily need this tutorial probably. So you can also just go straight to this YouTube tab if you're making YouTube videos, like a lot of people who are finding this video probably are. And this stuff will all pretty much basically be all set. You can just go there. You can just right here, add to render queue. Boom. You're going to add it to the render queue. It's going to come over to here. And then you're just going to click render all. Now it'll go ahead and fire up. You see up at the top right there, it says roughly it's going through, ticking down how long it is taking in order to finish this particular render. That's going to depend on how fast your computer is, how fast your graphics card and processor is, and stuff like that. Up here, it's telling you how many frames per second that it is rendering. So if there's no effects where there's just video, you see mine can get up in the 240 approximately. So it goes super fast. If you have a ton of effects, sometimes it will take you, if you have a 10-minute video, it could take a half hour if you're doing a ton of editing. But like I said, if you are looking up this video on how to deliver a video in Davinci Resolve, you're probably not that advanced yet. So right here, you might be seeing a preview where it's actually going through the video. I turn that preview off just in case yours looks a little different. Don't worry about that. I turned that preview off because I didn't really need to see it. And boom, it is done that fast. Now, if you go into your files, and you go to your videos, I'll bring that over on my main screen here. Boom, you have a bunch of different stuff here. And right here, how to render a video, that's where the video went on mine. So if this helped you out, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe up so you never miss any of the future videos. Peace out.